So there's a bird right there. I don't know if you could see. It's right there. But it was stuck right there and it couldn't move. And it's right there now. You can see. It's right there. Right there. Like it's wing. Oh, she's recording. She's recording too. I'm at her house, but there's like a bird, like its wing is stuck. Like its wing stuck.
It can walk perfectly.
Yeah, we don't know if it's a girl or boy.
Walking to the side like one of the wings.
Like it wants to fly, but it can't fly.
It's probably super scared. It was hiding behind that pole right there.
Yeah, it was like hiding. It was like stuck in right there. It was stuck like for a couple of minutes. So Johnny discovered it because he was coming to go get dirt right here, and he said that he heard something fall, and then he looked back and the bird was just stuck right there. And so we came outside to see after like 1-2 minutes to come see what had happened, and it was like stuck there. And we just watched it for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, I don't know. And then it started like coming over here, and then it came over here now. It's right there. So we just started recording because we thought we should. We don't want to get up too close to it because Johnny went up to it and it kind of like yelled at him like rah! Okay. So he was like hiding behind that pole like he was scared. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. I just call it he. But then if it's a girl, like what if her babies are in the nest and like some type of other animal tries to eat it? I wish I could get up more close because it's super blurry, but it's a wild nature animal, and it's like a wild animal, so I don't think we should get up too close. We're in Nana's back patio. See, we're in the patio, but I'm standing on this thing, so because I'm super short, so it's right there. Yeah.
You can pause it. We're gonna save it.
Okay, so
what are you gonna get?
What are we gonna get?
Let me send you to get the gloves.
I am not pausing any second. Okay, he's in the garage thing, whatever that thing, but you can't really see his front.
Look at the bird. I feel like
This is so bad. Okay, he looks so.
I'll be right back.
Guys, I'm just kidding. It's a he. I don't know if it's a he or she. I'm just gonna call it he. Okay, he's getting some gloves. Oh, that's too soon. Okay. And that's the bird right there. Okay. Should we go, Yoni, or should we stay right here? Yoni, it's paused. You have to press that. Okay, there. Record. Okay. So, I guess he's having gloves, so he's gonna go out there. I don't want to get hurt, so I'm gonna stay here. Like, not that I'm trying to like have him get hurt, but I just don't want like anybody else being injured. Like, so it's right there. It's super blurry when I zoom in, but I'm sorry. You see that little black thing in the bush where I'm pointing? Like at the tip of my finger. That's the bird. The bushes are moving because it's moving. Oh my god. Okay, the feet are like moving. I don't know if you could tell. There's like little gray thing. It's like gray. You see that little thing right there? It's moving. Who threw that?
No. We're gonna put it under there.
Okay, we're gonna trap it in there. Not trying to like.
Not trapping it, but like into a field.
Yeah, so it won't fly, so we can save it. Okay, Nana, move.
Please go.
Yoni.
It's heavy. So
just in case it
we're gonna
poops.
put that under just in case it poops. Yeah,
Or pees. I don't know if it pees.
it's fine. You have gloves.
I'm gonna stay here.
I'm gonna stay here and watch. My brother's gonna
I
go.
don't.
Be careful.
Yoni, please don't get hurt. Please don't get hurt, Yoni.
Please
Please.
don't get hurt, Yoni. Okay. Okay, guys. So.
Okay.
I don't know how long is it up here.
Okay. Nana, get right here.
Where? I can't.
Or you could get. I don't know. Ew, is that a baby snail?
Snail.
Ew, that's a little baby. Oh wait, it's a baby snail, guys. Should I touch it?
No, don't touch snails. They're gross.
Okay, I'm gonna watch. I kind of want to go, guys.
But it's really dangerous.
It is very
Okay, they're
dangerous.
coming.
Okay, I am not pausing this video. If you guys think I'm pausing it, I am not. I'm recording every single second of this. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, Yoni. Please be careful, Yoni.
Yeah, we need to cover its eyes or else
Oh my god, I'm so scared. He's gonna get hurt. Oh my god. Okay, so it's right there. Right there.
No, sí, ma, los niños lo van a mirar.
Es que le echas alcohol o le pones alguna crema
Ma,
de la
los niños lo van a mirar.
Pero es que no está herido, está quebrado.
Ma, pero cuando
Pero lo dejas adentro de
Ese
la...
es su hábitat de ellos.
She's recording too.
Bueno, ese no es su hábitat.
Está diciendo el video.
Volar, los árboles.
Como tú quieras, pues.
animalito.
¿Para qué me preguntas?
It's right there. Just in case you keep losing the animal, just in case, it's right there.
grabando?
Okay, I'm so scared for him.
¿Ves? Pégale bien.
Okay, sorry.
Para, Johnny.
Ya se va a ir.
Oh my god, it's in the bushes. I don't know where it went.
In the bushes.
Lo que pasa es que si se
Where is
mueve,
it?
va a quedar aquí.
It's right there.
No.
¿No?
It's like in the bushes right there. I can't barely see in the camera.
Oh, pues no.
It's like right there.
They can't really
It's all the way in the bushes.
Where? I can't even see that you're blocking it.
The bird is all the way in the
You're
bushes.
blocking it.
Johnny, it's like right there. It's like right there in the bushes. I can barely see it.
Es el pajarito, mira.
Oh, I think it's scared.
Yo lo agarro, Johnny, tú le avientas, la agarra María en la cabeza.
Then go into action. Bobby, let's go.
No nos piquetes.
Bobby, or you can smack the butt. The win in the
Correr,
bushes.
Johnny.
You can smack it.
Ay, para que voy al pueblo va a ser otro.
Johnny, why would you smack it?
That's the way to come people out. That's the way to come people out. It's in there. Ow! Ow!
Ya se escondió.
Right, like.
Ahí está.
It's like, guys, it's hiding in the bushes right here.
Y se va a lastimar ahorita que...
You see a dark spot right there? That's like right here.
It's
Si te
really
animas, me hablas.
It's like right there. The dark spot in the bushes.
Save it.
That's the bird.
Save it. Porque ahí se va a morir. Los niños lo van a mirar y
Y lo van a matar.
Ya se metió ahí y nos matan.
Oh my gosh, he's not gonna save it? Oh my god, he's gonna go try. Okay, oh my god, I'm so
Can you
scared.
record with my little?
No, okay, whatever.
I'm gonna get the chair. I'm gonna be really fast. Move.
Why is Jenny throwing that?
Okay, give me it. Give me it. Here. What's your face? I'm the best one.
Johnny,
Come on, we're trying to save this, not doogly dog.
where'd it go? Guys, where'd it go?
No, actually, wait.
Johnny, actually, where'd it go? Did it go behind the bushes?
No, where'd it go?
I think it's a girl, because girls are like, I think girl birds are really scared, and like boys
Boys
like
are
guys
really
would
like they try to protect themselves.
no, yeah, like they would try to like bite after them. So I think it's a girl, guys.
Well, we don't know.
What do you guys think? Comment down below. I think it's a freaking girl. I don't know why this is. I wish I recorded it when it was like jumping out. I just didn't record because I wasn't thinking about it just like a couple of minutes ago. I'm like, record and record, and I'm like, oh my gosh, yes. So obviously we're both recording. So
Okay, it's zoomed in. Whatever.
okay, mine is zoomed in too.
It's blind.
Guys, do you think the bird is blind? It can't see. He said. He said he like grabbed it a little bit. No, like he pet it, and she said, and Nana's dad said that she didn't see. Or yeah, do you guys think it's blind?
Vicky, are you gonna like publish it like on
Yeah.
YouTube? Definitely, because it's a very like.
Guys, I think she's blind. I think it's a girl, so that's why I'm saying she.
Ahí se va, ahí, es que se queda allá atrás.
Oh no, he says just for it to stay.
Bobby's not saving it.
Ahí que se quede. No me picas.
I think it's like over there, yeah.
No,
Like
¿Dónde
over
está
here on
la
the edge.
esquina? It's like over there in the corner.
Like
I can't
right
see it,
here.
but it's like in the corner.
It's like somewhere behind the bushes, like right here.
Sorry guys if I'm shaking. I'm like right on the edge.
It's me, yeah, me too, guys. Look, I'm like literally on the edge of it. Like I'm on this little thing. My guys, my
What are
feet
you
look
doing?
big.
You're
It's
trying
just
to
big.
save and not do this.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay, it's getting really blurry, guys.
Yeah, mine's blurry when I zoom in, but when I zoom out, it's not even that blurry. Joni, what the heck are you doing?
Okay.
Joni, you better be careful. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Okay.
You're supposed to be trying to save the animal. Come on, I'm trying to clean the...
Okay. He's doing it. Okay.
He's like in the...
He's like trying to. I understand how he feels because, you know what? Like if I was doing it, I'm like, oh my god, what if it pokes me? Like what if I know
My
what?
dad has... We've saved like over five animals.
5 animals.
One
Like
that it was like trapped in a hole, and we took it out with gloves. Wait up, Yoni, wait up. So it was like a hole. Like, okay, let me zoom out. So it was like in a hole. It was, wait, Yoni. There was like a cricket and stuck a hole, and then just across the street there was a grass and it was stuck in a big hole. And we took it out with gloves because we had gloves, and we ran across the street and we put like in grass. So that's one, and maybe at the end of the video I'll do this next. But Vicky, I'm not even recording.
you paused it the whole time. Where did you leave off?
No se animó, papá.
Okay.
Oh, my card thing is full. I'm gonna erase the backpack.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video. I'll make a part 2, like for part 2. I'm gonna do a part 2 even if you don't like, okay? So I hope you like, subscribe. Okay, let me zoom out. I hope you like, subscribe, and share. Please share this video. I'll do a part 2 right now. Okay, bye.